Hi guys, this is chapter 4, level FG. It's in your genes.
Genes are part of your DNA. They are small. You cannot see them. Genes make you special. You share genes with your family. Josh looks like his dad. They both have a round face. They share the same genes.
So genes come from your parents and from your grandparents and from your grandparents' grandparents. So Josh looks like his dad because they have similar genes. They both have a round face and brown hair.
Claire looks like her mom. They have the same smile. They share the same genes.
So genes can also give you things like talent.
Genes give you your talents. Claire can sing. Mom can sing. They share the same genes.
So, for example, my middle daughter, Addison, she can draw, and she got that from her dad. And my oldest daughter can sing like her mom, which is me, and she got that from me. Those are passed down in your genes.
Josh throws the ball fast. Dad throws the ball fast. They share the same genes.
So another example would be my dad was very good at basketball, and I inherited the talent to be good at basketball as well. It's stuff that is passed down in your genes.
Some genes can be bad. Some genes can make you unhealthy. These genes come from your parents too.
So some genes that are passed down can actually make you sick. There's heart disease and other things that come down that aren't good for you.
Claire cannot eat strawberries. They make Claire sick. Grandma Barb cannot eat strawberries. They make her sick too. They share the same genes. Genes give you your looks. Genes give you your talents. You share your genes with your family.
So that's it for chapter 4. Log into Canvas and check your work and make sure you get it done, okay? You guys have a great day.